Did you know that eating oatmeal can help lower your cholesterol levels? It's packed with soluble fiber, which is great for your heart health. Today we're going to dive into the top reasons why incorporating oatmeal into your daily diet can lead to a healthier lifestyle. From boosting your energy levels to supporting your heart health, we'll cover it all. Let's explore the amazing benefits of oatmeal. Incorporating oatmeal into your daily diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy to do. Whether you prefer a sweet or savory breakfast, oatmeal is an incredibly versatile ingredient that can be tailored to your personal taste. By the end of this video, you'll be convinced that oatmeal is the perfect addition to your daily routine. So, let's dive in and explore the amazing benefits that oatmeal has to offer. Oatmeal is a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. This means that eating oatmeal for breakfast can help curb those mid-morning cravings and keep you satisfied until lunchtime. Fiber is also essential for maintaining a healthy gut, which is linked to a stronger immune system and even mental health. So, by eating oatmeal, you're not only keeping your hunger at bay, but you're also supporting your overall well-being. High-fiber diets have also been shown to reduce the risk of certain diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. And the best part is, oatmeal is packed with fiber, making it an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Incorporating oatmeal into your diet is a simple and effective way to increase your fiber intake and reap the many benefits that come with it. Oatmeal is also a heart-healthy food, thanks to its ability to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. This is because oatmeal contains a type of fiber called beta-glucan, which helps to remove excess cholesterol from the digestive system. Eating oatmeal regularly can also help to reduce blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. This is especially important for those who are at risk of heart disease or have a family history of the condition. In addition to its heart-healthy benefits, oatmeal is also rich in antioxidants, which help to protect against cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Oatmeal is also an excellent food choice for those looking to regulate their blood sugar levels. This is because oatmeal is low on the glycemic index, which means it won't cause a sudden spike in blood sugar levels. Eating oatmeal can also help to slow the release of sugar into the bloodstream, providing a sustained energy boost that lasts throughout the morning. This makes oatmeal an excellent choice for diabetics or those looking to maintain stable energy levels. In addition to its blood sugar regulating properties, oatmeal is also rich in complex carbohydrates, which help to provide a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with important vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Magnesium in particular is important for muscle function and nerve function, while iron is essential for healthy red blood cells. B vitamins, on the other hand, play a crucial role in energy production and nerve function. By incorporating oatmeal into your diet, you'll not only be supporting your heart health and regulating your blood sugar levels, but you'll also be providing your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Oatmeal is also an excellent weight management tool, thanks to its ability to promote satiety and reduce cravings throughout the day. This is because oatmeal is high in fiber and protein, making it extremely filling. Eating oatmeal for breakfast can also help to reduce the likelihood of overeating later in the day, as it keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This makes oatmeal an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. In addition to its weight management benefits, oatmeal is also low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Oatmeal has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. This is because oatmeal contains a type of antioxidant called avenanthramides, which have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporating oatmeal into your diet is a simple and effective way to reduce inflammation and support overall health and well-being. Oatmeal is an incredibly versatile ingredient that can be prepared and enjoyed in a variety of ways. From traditional oat porridge to overnight oats and oat pancakes, the possibilities are endless. You can also add your favorite fruits, nuts, or spices to oatmeal to create a delicious and nutritious breakfast that suits your taste. Incorporating oatmeal into your diet is easy and convenient, making it the perfect addition to a busy lifestyle. Incorporating oatmeal into your daily diet can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. From boosting your energy levels to supporting your heart health, oatmeal is the perfect addition to a healthy diet. By incorporating oatmeal into your daily routine, you can experience the many benefits it has to offer, from regulating blood sugar levels to supporting weight management. So, make the switch to oatmeal today and start experiencing the amazing benefits it has to offer. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below and check out another video for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.